Hey everybody, this is Nafisa and I'm here to teach you how to make creative cards. So today we'll be making this amazing camera card. The materials we need to make the camera card. We need two color paper of your choice as I have pink and white, which we will cut into 4 pieces each of size 15 by 15 centimeter. Next we will need a piece of paper of one color. The size is 15 by 13 centimeter. Next we will need another piece of paper of the same color, which will be of size 15.2 by 13.2 centimeter. Next we will need a strip of paper. The size is 15 by 3 centimeter. And we will also need a piece of sunboard or cardboard. If you don't have it, it's okay. It is completely optional. And we will also require other stationery material. So now let's start with the method. This is the paper that we had cut into 15 by 15 centimeter. Now we have to fold this paper diagonally. We also fold it diagonally on the other side so that we get the center point. Fold it very carefully. Next, from either of the sides, you can fold it to the center as I have done. Now follow me carefully. Now in the next fold, you have to bring this tip over here. Same way on the other side. Now for the next part, you will need a ruler. Take any one side and fold this diagonally. Make sure the folds are proper. In the same manner, we have to do all the pieces. Now I've made the other ones, as you can see. Now we'll take this inside like this, and then same way on the other side. In this manner. Make it straight. Now we'll be gluing the ends. We let it dry for a while. So as you can see, we have stuck the parts. I have already done it over here, as you can see. And you have to open the card with a twist in this manner. Now we have to connect all these boxes, one on top of the other. Before showing you how to connect them, I would like to tell you that you can add a sticker or a photograph over here. You have to put the pink side on top of the pink side in this manner. Now we have to let them to dry. Now it's all connected and it's dried. Now to open it, you have to open it with a twist. So you can see. Now here, as you can see, I have stuck photographs of different flowers. You can stick other types of photographs, or you can also stick stickers. So now we are going to start to make the box. The size of the paper is 15 by 13 centimeter that we had already cut. So now to make the box, we need to measure 2.5 centimeter from the edge. And draw a line. You have to do the same for the rest all edges. We have to do the markings in this way. If you don't want to do the markings, it's alright. But you have to cut on the markings where I have marked. As you can see. Now we will cut on the markings. Now as you can see, I've already cut the sides. Now we have to fold the sides in this manner. You can use a ruler. So now we'll stick the box. Prepare such a same box with the same method, but the size will be 15.2 by 13.2 centimeter. We have to stick the sunboard. So now we have to do this for both the pieces. Here I've done for both. This is the strip that we had cut into 15 by 3 centimeter. Now we have to fold the strip in this manner. We have to cut till the fold. So this is the box was larger. The size of the box is 15.2 by 13.2 centimeter. And now I'm going to take the strip. The size of the strip is 10 by 3 centimeter. So now we have to paste the strip over here. So now as you can see, this is stuck, and now we'll take a cutout of a circle which we'll paste over here. Now I have taken this white piece of paper. Later we have to put small cuts only on one edge. So as you can see, and then we fold it. Now we'll roll this in this manner and stick it. So now we'll stick this over here. Now as you can see, this is hollow. So this is optional. You can fill this with sponge in this manner, and then there is a click. So as you can see, I've already done the outline. We just have to color it with a gel pen. So now we have to stick this on both the sides. So what we have to see to that this is straight. Now we'll stick it. First we'll stick it on the upper side, right in the center. Now we'll stick it on the bottom part. So now this is the ready camera card. We have to open it with a twist.